The first step is to turn off the sump pump. This button right here. The second step is to turn this valve open to drain the tank to this line right here. It doesn't need to be perfect. Be very careful that a fish doesn't get sucked into here. This would be very bad.
Good.
The water is going to drain from the sump pump to outside of the house. The noise is normal. The water is going to drain till it gets to this line, and once that happens, turn the valve closed. The next step is to fill the tank with these two valves right here. To turn them on, face them that way towards the window. Make sure you turn both valves, please. So it will take about 20 minutes to fill. Once you hear water trickling in the sump pump from these two drains right here, that's when you will turn the sump back on. The next step is when you hear water trickling right there, like that, that means that these side columns are filling with water. So, again, when you hear that trickling, turn the sump on. So, in about 60 seconds, this column right here is going to start filling all the way up. Alright, so once the water level gets to right here is when we're going to turn the water off. It's very important to do it just about at this line or else the tank will overflow. So, not yet. Okay, so once it's right there, you come back down here and turn the water off. The water is off when it's facing that way. So now that you've turned the water off, these will eventually level out to about right here, and the water that empties from here goes into the sump pump. And the sump will probably be filled to about right here, the perfect level. And that's how you fill the fish tank.